Imagine a device so powerful it defies its size, a tech marvel that shouldn't exist, yet it's right here in the palm of your hand. You've heard the rumors. You've seen the leaked renders. But today, everything changes. We are diving deep into the ghost in the machine, the Apple iPad mini 8. The tech world is currently obsessed with bigger is better, but Apple is about to prove that the ultimate power move is actually shrinking the beast. If you think the iPad mini 7 was a jump, the mini 8 is a total evolution. We're talking about a redesign that makes the current model look like a vintage relic. Think about this for a second. Why does the iPad mini even exist? It's not just a small tablet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It's the only device that fits the gap between the phone you're tired of staring at and the laptop you're tired of carrying. And with the Mini 8, Apple is finally leaning into that Pro DNA. The first thing that's going to stop you in your tracks is the display. For years, we've dealt with jelly scrolling and 60Hz screens that felt fine. But fine doesn't cut it anymore. The Mini 8 is rumored to finally inherit the tandem OLED technology from its bigger brothers. Imagine the deepest blacks, the most vibrant colors, and a brightness level that makes direct sunlight look like a joke. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a portal. But what's driving this monster? Under the hood, we are looking at the potential of the M3 or even M4 Silicon. Putting that much raw power into an 8-inch chassis is like putting a jet engine in a Mini Cooper. It's overkill in the best way possible. Whether you're rendering 4K video on a plane or running console-grade games under the desk at work, this thing won't even break a sweat. And let's talk about the Apple Pencil Pro support. Imagine having a digital canvas that fits in your back pocket, with haptic feedback that feels like real lead on paper. For creators, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But here is the real kicker, the thing nobody is talking about yet, the integration of Apple Intelligence. The Mini 8 is being built from the ground up to be your AI sidekick. It's not just about Siri anymore. It's about a device that anticipates what you need before you even swipe. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the price tag? Should I wait? Is the small screen actually productive? These are the questions that keep tech enthusiasts up at night. Because the truth is, the iPad mini has always been the rebel of the Apple lineup. It's for the people who want the full power of a computer without the weight of the world on their shoulders. Stay with me, because we are about to break down the leaked benchmarks that are currently sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley. We're looking at thermal management that shouldn't be physically possible and battery life that defies the laws of physics. If you've ever felt like your iPhone was too small for your ideas, but your MacBook was too heavy for your lifestyle, the iPad mini 8 is the answer you've been waiting for. It's sleek, it's dangerous, and it's about to redefine what a tablet can be. This is the future of portable computing. No more compromises. No more, almost there. This is the peak. This is the iPad mini 8. Let's get into the soul of this machine. Everything you thought you knew about mini tablets is about to be rewritten. The competition is scrambling, the fans are waiting, and the leaks are getting more insane by the hour. Don't look away, because the details we're about to uncover will change the way you look at your tech setup forever. Is this the perfect device? Or is Apple flying too close to the sun?